In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an email from Mailchimp. By the end, you'll feel confident moving from a blank idea to a ready-to-send message using Mailchimp's built-in tools. We'll start in the campaigns area, move into the email editor, and then wrap up on the setup screen where you complete the essentials like contacts and the subject line. From your Mailchimp dashboard, head to the left-hand sidebar and click on Campaigns. This is your central hub for everything you plan to send. Once you're there, select Email. That tells Mailchimp you want to build a standard email campaign. Next, click Create Email in the top right corner. This opens the creation flow for a new message. If you're asked to give it an internal name, choose something descriptive so you can find and manage it easily later. Now decide how you want to build the message. You can start with a template or create your own from scratch. Templates are great when you want a quick, polished layout with sections already in place. Building from scratch gives you maximum flexibility if you have a specific design in mind. Either way, you'll land in Mailchimp's email editor, which is built around content blocks you can add, remove, and rearrange. Inside the editor, customize the email to match your brand and the purpose of your message. Replace placeholder text with clear, concise copy. Add images or a logo where it supports your content, and use buttons for important calls to action. Keep spacing comfortable, choose readable fonts, and stick to your brand colors for consistency. If you include images, write brief, descriptive alt text. Make sure your buttons stand out and that your links are easy to recognize. Aim for a simple structure, a strong headline, a couple of short paragraphs, and a clear next step. When you're happy with the design and content, click Save and Exit. You'll be taken to the setup screen. Here, Mailchimp lists the items you need to complete before sending, such as who will receive the email, the subject line, and other key details. Select your contacts or the audience segment you want to reach. Write a subject line that's specific and inviting, and consider adding a short preview text to support it. Review the from name and from email for consistency with your brand, and double-check that your content aligns with your goal. Once everything on that screen is complete, you're ready to go. And there you have it. That's all you need to send an email from Mailchimp.